guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So let's head inside CVS to share the deals starting on the 28th. And you guys, I forgot to mention this last week. Thank you so much to those of you who donated to my cousin's meal train. We appreciate it so much as a family. He is still in the hospital in Houston. You know, he's just going to be in recovery for a long time. So I would love for you to continue to pray for him and his family, and thank you guys so much for offering those donations to him. His wife received it and she was literally in tears. So thank you guys so much for what you do for me on this channel. We are all friends here, and your support as my friend and just means the world to me. So thank you so much. So now let's get into CVS. So this week we have a repeat deal on the L'Oreal skincare. So it is spend 30 get 10 again. So the deal that I did last week was on this Hydra Genius moisturizer. So that is priced for $19.79. And then I also paired it with this sugar scrub right here. It's priced for $11.29. So I actually have a breakdown card for you guys because I hauled this past week, and I actually did a get ready with me to share with you guys the product. So if you're interested to see how I use the product and what I thought about it, then definitely look at my get ready with me that I just posted on Tuesday. But yeah, it's a great deal. So spend 30, get 10, use those personalized CRTs for skincare to make it for an even better deal. Alrighty guys, so Physicians Formula is on a spend 12, get $8 back in extra care bucks. So I'm gonna always be highlighting these gift sets right here. So the lip gift sets are completely out at my store, so I think these are gonna fly off the shelf because they're so amazing, but I bet during the Black Friday sale week they're gonna restock, so just wait. If your store hasn't gotten them, they're coming. But the gift sets are priced for $14.99. So this is an Essentials mini kit. So it comes with the Rose All Day, the Spotlight primer, it comes with a highlighter, it comes with a mascara, and it also comes with a lip color right here. So it's priced for $14.99. So you can pick this up, and then you get that $8 extra care buck. And then if you have any CRTs for cosmetics floating around, definitely use it. I got a 4 off 15 CRT that printed for me right here. And Vicky, I have my clips, thank you. And then also there's a 10 off 25 Physicians Formula, so you could, you know, double up and get 2 of them. Use that 10 off 25 CRT, and you could stack it with this cosmetics CRT. Let me talk to you a little bit about these CRTs, because I know so many of us have been talking to our managers and trying to figure out what the heck is going on with these CRTs. So let's chat CRT real quick. So this CRT right here, it says 10 off 25 Physicians Formula, and it has the manufacturer right next to it. You can absolutely stack it with this 4 off 15 because you're stacking a CVS coupon with the CVS CRT manufacturer coupon. So you absolutely could stack these two because you are spending 25 to get 10 off, and then you could stack the 4 off 15. Yes, you can stack it. Whoever's telling you you can't, it's not correct. So you can talk with your manager, you can call CVS customer service if you want, but you can stack CRTs with manufacturer coupons. So when you see that MFR next to it, it is a manufacturer coupon. So Physicians Formula has paid CVS to circulate their manufacturer coupons, if that makes any sense. So CVS is their like new advertiser. Instead of Smart Source, it's CVS. So let me know if that made sense. Okay, so this week, Maybelline Cosmetics are on a spend 15, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So you can pair a 4 off 15 CRT and pair it with that 3 off 1 Maybelline CRT that printed from this week. This was the mystery coupon. So you can go ahead and get a total of $15 and take $7 off in CRTs. So if you have these CRTs, you can take $7 off. Definitely take a look at my Get Ready With Me because I tested out the Super Stay foundation. You guys were asking me, how do I pair my color? And what you want to do is you can either get the color of your arm or get the color of your neck, and that's how you're going to pair your foundation. So check it out. I highly recommend this Super Stay, but it doesn't have SPF. That's the only downside. And then also something that I tried out was this Lash Sensational booster serum right here. This is a fun little product too. So there's so many great things at the drugstore. Definitely use these extra care buck offerings as a time to try something new. So NYX Cosmetics and Referral Cosmetics, they are on a spend 12, get 4. It's either or. You can't do both. And we're supposed to be getting a mystery coupon on Sunday, but we don't know if it's going to be for the Almay or the Revlon. But we still have the insert coupons from the 1010 Smart Source that you could pair with the Almay deal. And then again, you can pair your CRTs that you may have for cosmetics to make it an even better deal. Okay, so Wet n Wild this next coming week is spend 10, get $7. And you guys, that's a great deal. So I would highly suggest you pick up these one-step gel nail polishes, and they have really expanded their color line. So they're priced for $5.49 at my store. So let's just round it to $5.50. So buy 2 of them for $11. If you got that 4 off 10 Wet n Wild CRT, you could apply it here. So now we're down to $7. And then if you have that $4 CRT, just make sure you get to $15 and you can take a little bit more off, and then you'll get your $7 extra care bucks. So that makes for a really great deal on Wet n Wild. These make great stocking stuffers. They make great little gift fillers, so I highly recommend. So Rimmel Cosmetics are on a buy one, get one 50% off sale, and they are also spend 10, get 5. So this is great. And we still have insert coupons from the 923 Smart Source. So there was $1 off any one face, and then there was a $2 off any eye. So they have some nice items here. So this looks actually really fun right here, the jewel palette. So let me know if there's anything from this line that you want me to test out. Do you guys want me to test out the eyeshadow palettes? You let me know, because I've been testing stuff out for you guys and I'm happy to do that. That's what I'm here for. And I also got a 3 off 12 Revlon Cosmetics CRT. So this is going to make for a really great deal for that Revlon deal. So the last cosmetic deal that I'm going to share with you guys is on NYX Cosmetics. So they are on a spend 20, get 10, so that's basically half off. And if you have that 4 off 15 CRT, you absolutely could apply it here. One of you guys had asked me to try out their brow product, but they don't have the dip product here at my store. But something that I was actually thinking of testing out for you guys is the eyeshadow bases. So these are dupes for the MAC paint pots. If there's something else from the NYX line you want me to try out, leave the comment below and I absolutely will test it out for you guys. So yeah, just let me know what you want me to try and I will pick it up. So we have another deal on the Conair items. So when you buy one, you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. So last time this rolled around, this Conair hair kitting set, this is priced for $24.29. So you could buy one and then get $10 back in extra care bucks. So it makes it $14.29. And then if you have a percentage off email coupon, that'll make it even lower. So let me know if you guys want me to pick that up and review that as well, because I have so much fun reviewing products with you guys. We finally have a semi-decent Irish Spring deal. So the body washes, these guys are priced 2 for $8, but the best deal in my opinion is going to be on the 6-pack of bar soaps. I think 2 for $8 is great, and you get a $3 extra care buck when you buy 2, and this is a limit of 4. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $8, and then if you have a 2 off 6 CRT for body wash or bar soap, you can use it here. And final cost would be 2 for $3 or $1.50 each after coupon and extra care buck. And I think that is a great deal for the bar soaps. It's a decent deal for the body wash too, because regular price is $5.39. So if it's your week to get it, then this is not a bad deal. And if you buy these for donation purposes, definitely do the 3-in-1, because then you're getting a body wash, shampoo, and like a face wash in one. And you can split this pack up in terms of donating, and you have, you know, 6 bars of soap to donate. $1.50 for 6 bars of soap, I think, is a great deal. So definitely hit up this deal if you have the CRT. There's no insert coupons that I know of, and there's no printable coupons that I know of. For me, when I've tried to print from the Irish Spring website, it's weird. It never works for me. So I'm not sure if it's worked for you guys, but check irishspring.com, and then also check coupons.com to see if there's any printables that pop up or any send a card CVS coupons. Definitely watch Llewellyn's video on Sunday. She's really good at alerting us of like new coupons, new printables, and all that stuff. So yeah, great deal on Irish Spring, especially if you are a donator. So this week, the Mitchum deodorants, these guys are priced for $2.99. And if you guys got that $1 off one CRT, you could apply it here. And we still have some insert coupons from the 10 to 14 Smart Source. There was $1 off. So if you have that coupon and this CRT, it makes it 99 cents, and regular price is $4.79. So dropping it down to 99 cents is a great deal. Okay, so it is diaper week here at CVS. Yay. Well, it's actually P&G week. So there are select items. When you spend $20 or more, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. So it's spend 20, get 5 this time around. So Pampers are on sale for 2 for $20. So what you do is buy 2 of them for $20, and then we're getting a 4 off 2 coupon coming in our P&G. I don't get the P&G, so if you want to donate some Pampers coupons, I will take them. So you would pay $16 if you had that 4 off 2 coupon, and then you could pair a 3 off 15 CRT for diapers or training pants, and the final cost comes out to 2 for $8 or $4 each, which is great because starting price here is $12.99. So getting it down to $4 is a great deal. So another deal that I think is worth doing with your Cascade coupons, so we're getting $2 off one coupons coming in the P&G, and they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So you could pair that $2 off coupon with the Cascade. This is priced for $14.99, so they're buy one, get one half off, and then you could stack that coupon to make for a really good deal if you use Cascade Pot. So the Tide is also included in the spend 20 get 5, but you guys know the limits on the Tide. Definitely check your CVS apps on Sunday. They might have a send a card coupon. They usually do, but we're getting $3 off one coupons, but those insert coupons are limit of one, you guys. So don't be coming to CVS and, you know, using 4 Tide coupons. If you watched my Halloween video, you know what happens when the coupon police come. So, so they're on sale for $4.94. Use that $3 off one coupon, and that makes these just $1.94. So I always opt for the Tide Free and Gentle because regular price is $7.99. So with that 3 off one coupon, you get it down to $1.94, which is great. The Progresso soups are priced 3 for $4, and there is a printable 50-cent off one coupon for the organic. So if the organic brand is included in the sale, you could pair that printable coupon. And then also the Campbell's soups right here. These guys are priced 2 for $4, and they're on a extra care buck deal. So when you buy $10 worth, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck. So what you could do is buy 12 of them for... You could buy 6 of them for $12, and then you're going to get that $3 extra care buck. So it makes them 6 for $9 or $1.50 each. And if you are a member of Fetch Rewards, you get bonus points when you submit your receipts with any Campbell's products. So Fetch is a free app that you can get cash back on and redeem gift cards. So if you're not signed up for that, I'll have a link below. You want to sign up for it, save for Christmas. It's a fantastic app. I 100% recommend that to you guys every single time because it's free money on things that you're already purchasing. And just a reminder, canned soups are great things to donate, you guys. So my daughter has a Project Shepherd going on where they're collecting canned food, so soups are so great to donate, you guys. Okay, so this is definitely one of my favorite deals that rolls around with CVS. So the 7-Up 2 liters are 2 for $2, and you're gonna get a $1 extra care buck when you buy 2. So you get both of them for $1 or 50 cents each, which is great. So if you're making like punches for Halloween or like root beer floats, usually A&W is included because it's a 7-Up brand. So 50 cents for a 2 liter is a killer price. You guys, so the Fruity Pebbles and the Honey Bunches of Oats, these guys are on sale for just $1.99, which is a great deal. And if you go Honey Bunches of Oats, there is an Ibotta offer for $1 back, so it makes it 99 cents, so nice deal. And if you have some marshmallows, I love making Fruity Pebble marshmallow bars for my kids, so if you're looking for a fun little snack to maybe bring to a class party, that is an easy snack to go ahead and make. And you know what, you can add marshmallows to any cereal and make any type of like Rice Krispie treat with whatever cereal you have. It's so easy. All you need is a pack of marshmallows, a stick of butter, and then you are good to go. So these are all the deals I have to share with you this week here at CVS. So you guys gave me some really great feedback in my CVS haul, and you said that those slide end card breakdowns really helped you guys. So I'm gonna start doing them for you because you have said that they help you, and this is the whole point of my channel, is to help you guys coupon better. So I will be including those in my videos going forward. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and if I haven't mentioned this to you guys already, I appreciate every single one of you, and thank you so much for continuing to support me and my channel and my family. It means the world to me. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.